correspondence was never replied to, it was never acknowledged. That's why the greatest reports that are there to help are the reports that were written up by the social workers. They mustn't have been read by the Commission. They'd make a stone cry, so they would. And this was the social workers telling us this. Then we had in the transcripts again from the Commission, when an official from the HSE was being cross-examined on how they would approach things legally, it was put to that person that what he had been describing was actually legal subterfuge. And he was asked twice in cross-examination, do you mind if I describe it like that? Is that the way the HSE would work? Is that what you mean by it? Ah, yeah, he said, you can call it that. As casual as you like. Probably knowing full well he was going to get away with it. In that commission, the HSE was armed to the teeth with lawyers of one kind and another. They cross-examined in a brutal way some of the witnesses. In a brutal way. And when a witness wished then to cross-examine someone else, they had to do it themselves. No legal protection, no legal representation. So there's so much wrong with this report, and Minister, so much wrong with what the government is suggesting, that we now give it to somebody else. Dogs will bark and the caravan will move on. I hope to God that there's enough people in this House, across all of the political parties, that will put down some sort of motion to bring the spotlight back on the HSE, the South Eastern Health Board, and insist that they be asked to come before us. And by the way, Chairman, in conclusion, I believe that the Farley Commission and others should be brought before a committee of this House so that the content of these reports can be teased out.
Thank you, Deputy.
It cannot be let go.
Okay, thank you.